Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about strategies for selling your home. This is Christian Abush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Slang St. Pete. It's on all my social media. Today I want to talk about specific things that you can do to get the best price for your home. First and foremost, when you're planning to sell your home, you made the decision whether it's relocating across the country or just moving to a different location. Maybe you want to downsize or upgrade. Regardless, one of the things that I recommend you do at a certain price point, let's say above, if your home is valued or you think the home value is above 800,000, you should really consider doing a home inspection on your own home, for two reasons. One, any issues that are latent, you're going to find things that maybe you don't realize are quirks. Maybe you think, oh, it's cute when I have to push this door open or whatever. That might not be cute to a buyer. So the first reason is that you're going to find out issues in your home that are either maybe hidden, slightly obvious, or things that you didn't realize were quirky that could be issues for a buyer. Secondly, most importantly, the buyer is going to want to do it. So if you go through the process prophylactically of actually inspecting your own home, you're going to save yourself a lot of headaches because you're going to determine, all right, I wanted to sell this home for $1 million, but I see this, and this on the home inspector's report. It's not likely going to be valued at $1 million because the buyers are expecting that to be done, dealt with, or perhaps as a concession at the part, when you're at closing. So it's really important, and I believe at certain price points, it's obvious that you should get your own home inspection done because you get to predetermine what the issues could be, and it actually strengthens your hands at the negotiation table because then you can basically turn what could be a problem into an opportunity for either better concessions, or it might even give you the instinct to maybe move the market a little bit because maybe you want to sell your home right away. You're interested in going cross country or cross town, but because of the issues that you find in your home inspection report, it might make sense to actually say, well, let's actually push back the day we put this on the market a month or two because we can fix these issues because it's perhaps better return on investment to fix it than make it a concession. So if these are issues that you're considering, give me a call, 727-303-1521, and we could talk about all your options here in the Gulf Coast communities. Or, like I said before, shoot me a DM at CD Slang St. Pete. It's on my TikTok and Instagram. Talk to you later.